Hello, I'm Dr. Alan Martinez from Dr. Mexico Dental Group in Tijuana, Mexico. If you're missing most or all of your teeth, or you're struggling with loose dentures, full mouth dental implants may be the life-changing solution you've been looking for. Full mouth dental implants use strategically placed dental implants to support a complete set of beautiful functional teeth. Depending on your needs, treatment options may include all-on-4, all-on-6, implant-supported bridges, or other customized implant solutions. The process begins with a comprehensive consultation and 3D CT scans so we can evaluate your bone structure and create a personalized treatment plan. If additional procedures such as bone grafting or a sinus lift are needed, we'll discuss those with you as well. The goal is to restore your ability to eat comfortably, speak confidently, and smile naturally again. At Dr. Mexico Dental Group, we help patients from across the United States and Canada achieve a fully restored smile while saving significantly compared to treatment costs at home. Contact us today to learn if full mouth dental implants are right for you.